As a classroom teacher, I love having this photo organizer in my classroom. I don't use it to organize photos, but I want to show you how I use it. So each student gets their own box to use throughout the school year. And what I keep in it is I keep math tools that they will use during our math time or maybe math stations. And I insert all this, I put all of this in there, and that way they have the different tools that they need, and it just kind of keeps everything together. There is no arguing over whose tool belongs to who. Everybody knows which toolbox is theirs. I put a number on the front, and it just helps keep my classroom organized, clean, and prevents students from arguing over math tools. You can use this organizer obviously in many different ways, especially in a classroom, but this is one way I use it. I love it, and I definitely highly recommend it.